the Mount scenery for a short while. What do you think are the improvements?
The improvement to Mount scenery was some of the steps was very high, so we added steps in between that they're not that high, and also repair steps. We also added a railing to the top because the steepest part is to the top of Mount scenery, so we have a side railing that hikers can hold on going up, and especially coming down. Yeah, there's a railing. We also have a new rest shelter 3/4 of the way up, that if it's raining, people can take a rest inside the shelter.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah.
Okay.
It makes a difference in safety-wise for the hikers, especially with the railing.
Yeah. Well, what do you like most about Mount scenery?
The cloud forest. I love the cloud forest. You're scoped in the clouds most of the time. Hikers got to be lucky to see a viewpoint on the top. That is, we're at cloud height.
Yeah.
870 meters high we are. Saba, I would say, boasts the #1 in the Dutch kingdom of flora and fauna. And we're the highest in the Dutch kingdom. That's why I like to hike to the top of Mount scenery.
Okay. I think sometime you told me that there's about 700 different species, right?
Probably over 700 different species of plants on Saba. Comparison, the size of Saba, 5 square miles, 870 meters high. There's more flora and fauna here than any part of the Caribbean or the world for the size of the island.
For a 5 square mile island, that's really amazing.
Amazing, yeah.
Wow. Oh.
Saba racer, black racer, brown racer. In station they call the red belly racer. It's very relaxed.
But it doesn't bite, right?
Well, if you try to get your hand in anywhere around the head, it probably would bite. Yeah, but the teeth is so small and fine that it wouldn't do you any damage.
Okay.
Okay, he's not going to do you anything. Just stand for you.